Welcome everyone, and big up yourself as usual. This is our channel to join me, and in this video I'll be hiking at the Tonto Natural Bridge State Park, which is located near Payson and Pine, Arizona. It is believed to hold the largest travertine bridge in the world, which stands at around 183 feet high over a 400-foot long tunnel. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and drop a comment if you will like, and stay blessed as usual. And so this is a gift shop area. You have to go in to pay a park fee in order to go on the trail. So this is inside the gift shop. I have like a, this is so I guess these are like cone or something like that.
I try to avoid the 7 feet as much as I can. So. Yeah.
There's different books in here. Wow. So at this point, I paid a park fee of $7, which varies between adult and children, and not that expensive. So let's go on our hike right now. So let's go at this viewpoint one. There's a little history around here. It's saying the bridge's construction began as groundwater seeped its way through underground limestone. Surfacing spring waters redeposited the dissolved limestone as travertine, a fine crystalline form of limestone. So throughout the park they have little plaques with a bit of history about the park. And here's view of that mountain rock formation right there, and the river is all the way, or stream, all the way down there. Ooh, the lights is heavy, it's blowing around, having so cool and nice here. So this is viewpoint 3. When you look over, you can see the waterfalls right there. It's beautiful. And all the way down is the river. So let's go down there. So now we are going on the Go One trail. It says it's a bit difficult, so let's see. So you can see it's a bit rocky going down. It's a bit steep. We are out here in the forest up in Tonto State Park, but they have some steps right here leading down into the waterfalls area to the river. So here we are going down to the river. It's a bit bumpy going down, so you have to be careful about your steps. So, the river right here. Feature. There's a lot of trees around the area. It's surrounded by huge rocks. Nice little water feature right here. You can hear the water gushing down. Some huge rock formation. And this is the bridge. It goes over the river. Over there. It's just a drizzle of water coming down at the waterfall at this time, because we're coming out the winter season and it has been so dry couple of past months. So it's just a bit of drizzle coming down.
Yeah, it smells like mint.
It's the water coming down right there.
Ah, civilization.
It's beautiful here, guys. Please zoom. There's the water coming on, not much coming down at this point in time. And saying no swimming under the bridge. Okay. So I guess you're not allowed to enter that area to even put your foot in the water because they block it off. It's a bit difficult to walk. So right now I'm inside this huge rock cave formation right here. Just step over. See guys, it's kind of rocky. You have to be very careful climbing up and down. And some of the rocks are slippery. So I'm walking back up. On the trail. So I'm back at the top and a bit winded, but I'm good. So they have picnic areas throughout the park where you can come and with your family have lovely picnic. And here on this poster, I think they have some wildlife around the place. If you can spot them. Oh, black bears, you may spot that, which I don't really want to see any right now. Raccoons, javelinas, eagle, owl. Deers. This is a beautiful place to hike for all the nature lovers out there. I spent around an hour hiking but had to jet for another appointment. And just imagine how beautiful the waterfall is during the monsoon season. Thank you for watching.